Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. This room is really an oasis for me. It's for company, but I love coming in here because of all of our beachy themed decor. This beautiful nightstand from ChooChoo Furniture adds in perfectly to the nice beachy scene that I love when I come into this room. The piece was fairly easy to put together and it came with very clear and easy to follow instructions. It took me about 25 minutes by myself to put it together. What's really neat about the piece is that this is perfect for our spare room because I never have to worry about having an extra extension cord for company. On the top, it has a plug with two outlets and also a space for charging your USB devices. So I really love that extra feature, particularly when it comes to having this in our spare room. The piece is bright and cheerful. I love this birch style colored wood, and the rattan front of the drawers is also really adorable. The legs mimic a mid-century modern style, which is something that is also a favorite of mine. The drawers slide in and out very easily, and I really like it because the rattan front is see-through, but the drawers are deep enough that you really don't see anything inside. If you're looking for the perfect piece to add into your styling, this nightstand is not only very pretty, but it's also functional and durable feeling. You'll find that it's very easy to put together, and in no time you'll have something that matches your decor perfectly, and that's my point of view.